Hi, my name is Jacob Vitale, and this is my 30-day project. The book that I'm reading is You Are a Bad Word Every Day by Jen Sincero. My goal over the next 30 days is to stay motivated with schoolwork, bust those excuses for why I can't work out and finish a set, overcome challenges such as homework, tests, finals, stay motivated when it comes to getting good grades, and reveal what's holding me back in life. Overall, this book is about keeping my motivation strong, my vibes high, and my quest for transformation unstoppable. Time to warm up with some cardio.
Hey Jake!
What?
Guess what time it is?
What time is it?
Box jump time!
Oh my god. Do you know what my problem area is? These jelly donuts right here. Let's get some core in. This is too hard. Oh god. I can't do it. Don't stop now. Finish your set. You're halfway there. Come on. But I'm too tired. I just watched you do one. Fine, I'll finish it. Guess it wasn't that after all. Now it's time for my better half. Got one.
Hey Jake,
What?
guess what time it is?
What time is it?
Box jump time.